Hey YouTubers, I've been on the web here lately trying to find a good dash cam so I can record all this beautiful scenery as I drive around the lovely state of Tennessee. And I found this iPhone 4 in my room, or my man cave. My wife said I'd be hard pressed to find an animal that would live in it. But anyway, I found this iPhone 4. And so I plugged it in, got it charged up, and it makes a really good cheap dash cam. You can open it up and you're ready to roll. So I've been driving around a little bit, and I'll show you a little bit of video that I've taken. It really looks good. But it works really well, and you can record ever how long you want to, and then just erase it when you get through it. Nothing happens, that you want to keep. But iPhone years are like dog years. They're about 7 years to one. So if you got an old iPhone and you want to repurpose it, you might consider using it as a dash cam. I've got this little magnetic skosh mount. I think that's how you say it. And it works really well, so give it a try.